Welcome to AJ by Nature. And today I'm about to do some parkour.
Parkour, let's do it!
Ah!
Oh, a drain. Ew. Perfect for your body to make stew. Ew.
Don't drop it.
Alright, what are you gonna do here today, son?
Parkour.
Parkour! You're gonna do a workout?
Workout parkour.
Here we go. Ugh.
I put my nose on that plant.
Is that how you got up there?
I pushed myself.
Whoa. So what do you have to say to kids who are scared to climb?
If you're scared of climb, you can go to monkey bars.
You can go to the monkey bars? What are the monkey bars gonna help you with?
Help your muscles get all the way.
Oh, okay, so build up your muscles to give you confidence to make it all the way up?
Yeah, and to push yourself too.
To be able to push yourself up? Oh.
And I've been working out and doing this.
So you train, you do lots of push-ups and squats and ab work?
Sit-ups too.
Oh, wow. Can I see those muscles? Let me see. Let's just give them a testimony. What happens when you work out? Oh my goodness. How'd you get those muscles?
Work out.
Work out. You heard it. AJ by Nature said work out.
Look at that.
Here he goes. And he's off. AJ, go AJ, go, go, go AJ. Yeah.
Look at this.
Tell me about this. What's happening here?
A dance.
A dance, I like it.
Look at this. Ha!
Woo! Oh my goodness. How does he do it? The sky's the limit. In 3, 2, 1, bang! Yeah, baby.
Look at this.
Oh, snap. Nice.
Believe in yourself. And that's all you gotta do. Now I'm gonna do it 5 more times.
Goodness gracious. In 3, 2, 1, go!